In this video, let me show you how to send crypto from Uphold to Robinhood. To send crypto from Uphold to Robinhood, both platforms must support the same cryptocurrency and network. You also need to have crypto transfers enabled on Robinhood, which is available only to you as user with verified identities. First, open the Robinhood application on your mobile device. Next, log into your account or create one if you don't have. Once logged in, on the main screen, go to the Crypto tab. After that, select the crypto you want to receive and tap Receive to get your wallet address and memo or tag if needed. Then open the Uphold application on your mobile device. Also, log into your account upon opening it. Next, tap on Transact and choose Send to Crypto Network. Select the crypto you're transferring. Paste the Robinhood wallet address. Enter any required tag or memo. Confirm the network, review everything, and complete the transfer. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.